British slang, speaking like a local. Hello language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the colorful world of British English slang and colloquialisms. Britain, with its rich history and regional diversity, boasts an array of slang words and phrases. While some are widely recognized, others remain exclusive to certain regions. By the end of this video, you'll have a better grasp of these terms, which can be crucial for understanding informal conversations among the Brits. So, let's jump right in and explore. Firstly, let's look at some slang words that have gained popularity across Britain. Cheeky, used to describe something done impudently or playfully. E.g., let's grab a cheeky pint after work. Gutted, feeling extremely disappointed or upset. E.g., I was gutted when I missed the bus. Chuffed, very pleased. E.g., I'm chuffed with my exam results. Brawly, umbrella. Bob's your uncle. It means, and there you have it. Often used after a set of simple instructions or when a result is reached. E.g., just press that button, and Bob's your uncle. It works. Now, let's venture into some regional slang. 1. London. 2. Apples and pears. Cockney rhyming slang for stairs. 3. Dog and bone. Cockney rhyming slang for phone. 4. Liverpool. Scouse. 5. Boss. Great or excellent. E.g., that movie was boss. 6. Kex. Trousers or pants. 7. Newcastle. Geordie. 8. Gone canny. Be careful or take it easy. 9. Bairn. A child or baby. 10. Manchester. 11. Mint. Excellent. E.g., that goal was mint. 12. Buzzin'. Very happy or excited. 13. Bristol. 14. Girt lush. Really good or fantastic. 15. Babber. Friend or mate. While it's fun to learn and use slang, remember a few things. 1. Context is key. Some slang might be perfectly acceptable among friends but could be inappropriate in more formal settings. 2. Regional awareness. Be aware of where you are. Using a slang term popular in London might get you puzzled looks in Newcastle. 3. Don't overdo it. While it's tempting to throw in all the slang you know into a conversation, it can come off as inauthentic. Use slang sparingly and when it feels natural. That wraps up our journey through British slang and colloquialisms. By incorporating these words and phrases into your vocabulary, you'll not only understand informal British conversations better but also sound more like a local. Remember, language isn't just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about the cultural nuances that bring it to life. Happy chatting, and until next time.